Welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will be showcasing you one of the new feature that we have launched for the website training. So earlier there was no any option of resyncing. Now we have launched that feature. So let's discuss and understand how that feature works in this video. So first of all, just open any bot on your account. Once you open your bot, just go to train your AI bot section. And over here, you will get this one syncing option on the action tab. Click on it. You will get two options, resync now, or you can schedule it. So let's say I click on schedule option. So over here, I will get a drop down on which basis I want to resync the website. So over here, as per your need, daily, weekly, monthly, I can make a changes here and click on save schedule. And once I do it, automatically after 1 week, it will automatically sync this particular website. And similarly, if you have trained multiple websites, you can do the same settings as per your need based on the same configuration. So this is how you will be able to resync your website automatically. In case if you have any questions regarding the same, please do reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin.